Hello, and welcome to day 2, March 2nd. Remember, we are still in Unit 1, and we have now started week 4. So we are in Tuesday, day 2, March 2nd. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. Remember, async is your homework assignment, and you have one every single day, Monday through Friday. First, you have two activities. Your first activity is textbook. So in the textbook, you will complete on pages 9, you will complete in part 3, you will complete A and C. Okay, you will complete part A, you will complete part C. So you have two options. You can take a picture and upload it, or you can type your answers in the comment section. So here, and you will read the same article you read yesterday. And each paragraph, remember, we identified the paragraphs. So, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and paragraph 4, you will say what they covered. What was the main topic in the main idea in each of these paragraphs. Then here you have four statements. Are they true or false? And what lines will you find this information? So let's say this number 1 is false. So where would I find the true statement? Number 2, for example, is true. Where do I find this line? Okay, where do I find this information to prove whether it's true or false? Remember, we also went over the number of lines. So remember, you can upload it. This video goes through how to upload your picture from school through Schoology, or if you are not comfortable, you can simply type your answers in the comment section. All right. And your second async assignment is Mel. So remember to read everything. You have done a few Mels. So you click this link, you click sign in, you sign in with your username and password. If you don't remember your username and password, it's in the course information section of Schoology. Okay, and then you'll do this grammar assignment. But let me know if you're having any trouble. Now, it's a Tuesday, so we have Zoom class. However, we will be attending another Zoom room. So this is the ID and the password for the Zoom room we will be in. If you are having trouble signing in, you can click this link. All right, and we'll be attending a presentation from Student Services about goal setting. Okay, so remember, it's a new Zoom code today. This is the Zoom code, and I will also send it in Remind. All right, that's it. Good luck.